Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. U on your personal computer. First, you will need to download a reliable Wii U emulator. Make sure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable processor for the best experience. After downloading, install the emulator software by following the on-screen prompts. This initial setup is crucial for preparing your system to run the game effectively and smoothly, ensuring a good. Next, you must legally acquire the New Super Mario Bros. U game files. This typically involves dumping the game from your own Wii U console. Once you have the game data and any required decryption keys, transfer them to your computer. It is essential to place these files into the specific game directory that your emulator recognizes. This step ensures the emulator can locate and load the game properly, allowing you to proceed with the setup. With the mods in your folder, it's time to activate them within the game. Start Euro Truck Simulator 2, and before loading your profile, click on the Mod Manager option. Here, you'll see a list of all your installed modifications. Find your bus mod and the passenger mod, then double-click each one to move them to the active mods list on the right. Pay close attention to the load order. Often, the passenger mod needs to be placed above the bus mod for optimal functionality. Confirm your selections and load your game. With everything set up, you are ready to play. Open your emulator and select New Super Mario Bros. U from the game list. Click to launch the game and embark on your adventure through the Mushroom Kingdom. If you encounter any performance issues, such as low frame rates, return to the settings and make further adjustments. Sometimes, reducing the resolution or disabling certain graphical enhancements can significantly improve gameplay fluidity, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.